Well, Sasha really does like. That's yours. And where is, let me get one for
Can you open it?
Your present? Can you open it?
Kids to sit together.
That would be nice. Here and in Barbie, yeah, so we can kids together.
Here's Sashi.
Oh, how cute!
We're gonna get one for Serena.
Sasha's like, yeah!
Open up and let you just leave it
Say
there.
Holly.
Sorry.
He's gonna
Just
clean it
open.
up.
Poor baby.
Keep opening.
Say God.
Hey,
Serena one.
Your mommy needs to come sit over here.
Okay, Mommy, come. You're gonna have to.
Losha, turn around. You have to sit down. You have to sit down so mommy can see. Sit down on your bottom.
We can't fit together.
Oh, how cool.
Well, they're taking a picture.
What is this, Losha? It's a guitar. Yay! Do you like it?
Okay.
It's a guitar.
You take pictures?
Taking video.
No, take pictures. I'm taking video.
Okay.
Sasha found a bow.
Let's see how she likes it.
Oh, how cool. Oh, I'm gonna go away.
Look at her.
Are you even looking or no?
Well, I am, but I'm not sure about that.
It's a guitar.
You know you want to touch it. Yeah, you do.
Oh, wow, Sashi, look at you. Oh,
Is she gonna cry? She does not like that. Oh.
Hey, buddy.
no. Oh, my goodness, look at that pretty leopard.
Wow. What's the matter?
Didn't like your present? You didn't like your present?
Here, tell me. Henry, what are you doing to these paper?
I know.
Ah,
Away from him.
good luck with that, huh?
Take the ribbon.
No, to the event.
You should have been the robbing reporter.
This is hard. I need two cameras like this.
Open this or not?
Well, I want to get it for Daniel, and I want to get it Sasha's first Christmas too, so it's a little bit.
Well, she has some stuff at home.
But that's the first time she's opening. That's her first Christmas.
Opening.
She is. Mommy, she
Getting
is.
angry.
Loshi.
Yes, she is. You're right.
Nice pajamas.
Oh, cool.
That's for PJs.
Excuse me, trash patrol, trash patrol.
Loshi, look, you got pajamas.
Look at that.
Get the paper cut.
Oh, that one is from us.
This is one, Uncle Boy,
There it is.
and
You little round honey.
and Losha. And
Oh, it's so cute.
There it is.
I love Hedgie. Hedgie's one of my favorite toys for the kids.
There it is.
Nose. Does this? If I can find it.
He don't know how to open them.
there you go. There.
Present. Say hi, Daddy. This is my first Christmas party. There are lots more to come.
Careless.
Probably this year.
This is from, look, this is from
She got scared by the wrapping paper.
Yes, she did.
Or your greedy cousins probably scared you too. They're like, whoa.
All right, just a minute.
She's so adorable.
She's so sleepy.
Daddy's little
So
girl.
sleepy. That's what she's down to.
Okay.
Still got one more?
I think Sasha's
Two more?
trying to take a nap.
Daniel.
Would you mind shut the door, please? Too much light. Thank you.
Let's see her sticking hair now.
There you go.
That's present.
Where's this? Oh, Brian, Tasha, y'all shouldn't have done
It's not much.
Thank you for the chocolate.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Really good. But I'm trying to lose weight.
Yeah, so am I, so I'm pushing it off on you.
Oh, thank you guys.
Ooh, how pretty.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, they are. It's that.
You want to make a Daniel a message? I'm going to post it online for him.
I think so. Otherwise, it's smart.
I love you. Miss you. What else can I say?
It's pretty.
It is nice. Okay, enough.
Did you
If you
see
could take this.
Did you see your barn?
I was gonna put it up for
We'll
him.
put it up in a minute.
He's gonna love that barn.
You're
I'll
hot too.
pick my hair up. Yeah.
Yeah,
Lucia, do you have a toy crush?
Lion's gonna get you.
See, I got the monkey. Oh, I got one other thing, and I'll get it in a minute as soon as you get
That's
through all this.
Sasha's line.
No, my style.
It's your monkey.
No, it's not my, it's Bobo.
Oh.
That's Bobo?
Who's Bobo?
You want me to take Bobo out so you can have him?
Oh, isn't
You can
that,
have
that
Bobo?
is
Here's
beautiful.
Bobo. Let me get Bobo out of here.
You're still recording.
Yes.